I have an equation of a line here. It says it's x equals 2, and I want to graph that. And again, you're looking at that and saying, Willie, wait a minute, there's only an x. There's not an x and a y. I need to have an x and a y to graph. Well, no, you don't. There are some graphs that don't have both variables involved in it, just has one. So how do you wrap your head around this? Well, again, one way to kind of think about that is let's develop an xy table. Because if I can determine 2 or 3 points, I can determine the shape and the look of the line. So let's choose a couple of values of y to get me started here. So what happens if y equals 0? What's x? Well, there is no y. Doesn't matter. But my x value doesn't change. My x value is still a 2. Well, what if I choose a y value of -1? Yeah, you're getting it. X equals 2. If I choose a value, or y value of +1, doesn't matter. There's no y value there. My x is still a 2. I graph those lines, or graph those points. The first point is over 2, up 0. The next one is over 2, down 1. The next one is over 2 and up 1. As I start to graph all those particular points, I start to notice that I built a vertical line. So this graph of x equals 2 is in fact a vertical line. And as bonus points, notice that it's not a function.